Nervously, the booby hen rises, exposing the chick. Instantly, the crabs dart in to seize the newly hatched victim. But this time, the action does not follow the usual plot. The booby parents counterattack. Even the crab's hard carapace is insufficient defense against the rapid-fire thrusts of the booby's powerful beak.
That was awesome right there, God damn! Oh, shit! Oh, Lord, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, Lord Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Get the wire, nigga! Jesus Christ!
Unerringly, the booby's beak has found a chink in the crab's armor. Its damaged claw the price of the ill-fated attack on the nest.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
This crab, also badly hurt, simply performs a quick battlefield surgery, amputates its own claw. It will be regenerated in the next several molting cycles.